Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to manage files in Claude Projects. Claude Projects lets you keep files in a project's knowledge base, so they're available across every chat in that project. You can add, organize, replace, or remove files as your project evolves. So to add files to a project, open Claude and sign into your account. Now on the left side, select Projects. Then from here, this is where you can see all of your projects. So select your project that you want to manage. So click Project Knowledge or the Files button depending on your interface. So right here, click this plus button. So you can upload documents by dragging and dropping files. You can also upload them from clicking Upload from Device and selecting files from your computer. So let's do that. Then select the file and it's now uploading. So wait for Claude to finish processing the files before using them. So to view project files, you can open your project. So click on that and you can view your files. So you'll see all uploaded documents that Claude can reference in conversations. Now to remove files, open the project containing the file, then navigate to project knowledge or files, then hover over to the file you want to remove, then click this X button right here, and it will be deleted. So once removed, Claude will no longer use that file as project knowledge. So again, go to files, then hover over to the file, then click the X button, and it will be deleted. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.